Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful rainbow French dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are all from Revel Nail. They are Bombshell and Flirty, Rhythm and Lola, Flippant and Ballet, Charged and Lush, and Athena and Day of Revel number 7. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Chiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rum and alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm just applying clear acrylic powder to my nails. I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear acrylic powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the colors. This is also an optional step, but when using these colors, I would recommend doing it because these dip powders are really pigmented and some may bleed. So I would recommend you do this step, although it is optional. So starting with the pinky nail, I'm using Bombshell and Flirty. Both are different shades of blue. I really liked this dip powder they call Bombshell, but it isn't great for color blocking. It's a nice color, but I really don't like how pigmented and really untreated it is. It's very fluffy, so that's why it really isn't that good for color blocking. You don't get a crisp line as you'd like. It reminds me of the black dip powder from Revel. It's called Barbara. I did another design with this dip powder that gave me so much trouble. I'm talking about this one here, the Bombshell. It gave me so much trouble. I might upload it, but I'm not sure as yet. It's a really nice design, but it would have been so much better if this dip powder didn't give so much trouble. Oh my goodness. I did 2 layers of this because I was getting a lot of trouble with a proper Chevron friends with this Bombshell color. I also placed this color on my pinky because when people are looking at your nails, the finger that they usually look at are the ring finger, the middle finger, and the index. So I placed this color on the pinky because it's like hiding in plain sight, you know, just in case it didn't come out good. I really wanted it to be on the pinky nail. Yeah, but it did come out good. So however, if I had remembered that I had a 5th pair of colors, I would have placed the Bombshell on the thumbnail because I really forgot I had those pair of orange dip powders. I was originally just going to be doing those 4 nails and leaving out the thumb, but if I had remembered before, I would have placed the Bombshell on my thumbnail. The other colors, I did 4 layers on each nail. This design definitely has a learning curve to it in the way you position your finger into the dip powder to achieve the look. And you have to keep your finger still for like 5 seconds and then proceed to the other side. For this design, I found it difficult to do. I honestly felt like I was losing my touch or something. Also, in order to get those lines, you must always remove some of the depowders from the container. The more depowder you remove, the more you could lean your finger into the container to get, a deeper peak. You know what I mean? A nice peak. Anyway, when applying your second and third layers of base glue, remember to apply it to the nail bed area first, where the pastel colors are, and then to the tip, because the darker colors are pigmented and really would bleed on the lighter colors. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back when there's something important to see. So now it's time to encapsulate the nails. I did 3 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. And when using the base glue, remember to apply it to the pastel area first and then the pigmented area, so that the pigmented color wouldn't bleed on the light colors. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. Now this is after filing of the nails, and now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now if you wanted to choose the powder top coat, you would apply some activator, wait a while, then apply one layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel, I don't have to apply activator. I just go in with the top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I also did this design matte as well, so you'll let me know in the comments which one you prefer, if you prefer it matte or shiny. In my opinion, I like it shiny, but the matte was okay too, so let me know what you think in the comments. And when the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!